Cable chain is a variation of chain stitch and it really does look like a real chain. The stitch is made up of round links joined by small straight stitches. And it's worked in a similar manner to basic chain stitch, but with an added step of twisting the thread around the needle after each chain loop. Extra loop between chain stitches creates a link between the chains. Bring your needle up through the fabric on the line you want to work. Slip your needle under the thread as you usually do for French knots. With the needle under the thread, hold the thread with the left thumb and twist the thread around the needle one. Point the needle into the hole a few millimeters ahead. Push the thread down the shelf of the needle, so the loop sits close to the fabric. Bring the needle out below the loop and rub the thread under the needle point, as you would do for basic chain stitch. Pull the thread through the fabric and you have created your first cable chain stitch. Repeat the steps along the line working in a row. Pay attention to the way the thread is wrapped around the needle. To finish, just make an anchor stitch as usual. You can come up a little further to close the last stitch. Cable stitch is very quick and versatile, which is interesting on its own or worked in a combination with other stitches. I hope you enjoyed experimenting with this stitch. Let me know in the comments how was your experience and where did you use this stitch. I hope this video tutorial was helpful for you and you learned something. If yes, please give it a like and leave your comment and subscribe to my YouTube channel if you want to see more videos like that. In my next video, I will be talking about all the rest chain stitch variations and you will probably learn more stitches with me. If you want to stitch this sampler too, I have many samplers like that available on my Patreon. You can also find some PDFs with such samplers on my Etsy shop. All the links in the video description below. So thank you so much for watching and see you next time. Bye!